Hello everybody, greetings of the day. So in today's class we are going to discuss about structure of Dathura flower. As we all know that flower is the reproductive part of a plant. So basically the parts of a flower are arranged in 4 different whorls, and the first one is calyx, and second one is corolla, and third one is androecium, and fourth will be gynoecium. So we are going to study about this. So before we study about the whorls, we have a stalk of a flower. So this stalk like structure is known as pedicel. Then here we have a small leaf like structures called sepals. So a flower can have any number of sepals. All the sepals collectively called as calyx. So this calyx is a first whorl. So these calyx are present on the thalamus. So this part is called thalamus, this is pedicel, and these are called sepals. So as you move up, we have a colorful, attractive, a smooth part which are called petals. These are called the petals. So all the petals are collectively called as corolla. A flower can have any number of petals. And then I am tearing this petals so that we will be able to see the male and female parts of a flower, which are nothing but androecium and gynoecium. So here we are able to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 male gametes, I mean a male sexual part of a flower, which are nothing but androecium. So these are called androecium. These parts are called androecium, and we have a middle one, unique part, this one. So this is nothing but a female part of a flower called gynoecium. So we also know that a male part of a flower, nothing but androecium, it has 2 parts. So this small tube like structure which is present for this male part called androecium, this tube like structure is called filament, and this head is known as anther. So this anther is bilobed, and this anther consists of pollen grains. And we also know that this female gametophyte, it is also called gynoecium. It has 3 parts: style, stigma, and ovary. So we are going to see now. So what I am removing, these are nothing but sepals, and these are petals. So now we are going to see the parts of the female gametophyte, I mean a female part, which is nothing but gynoecium. So here we have, so this part. So this is a female part which is nothing but a gynoecium, also called as carpel. So it has 3 parts. So this head is called stigma, tube like structure called style, and here in the base we have ovary. So stigma, style, and ovary are the 3 parts of this gynoecium. So this gynoecium is a female part, and all these are the male parts called androecium. These are nothing but a petals. We have a small insects in this petals, and these are nothing but a sepals, and this stalk like structure is called as pedicel, and this part, swollen part, is called thalamus. So when the pollen grains present in the anther, they fall on the stigma of the female part, then the pollination takes place. And this flower is a bisexual flower. Why? Because within a single flower we have a female part, also the male part present. So within a single flower, when a male and female parts are present, then that type of flower is called bisexual. If only one, either a female or a male part are present, then it is called unisexual flower. Thank you everyone.